Hi everyone, my name is Vasylyna and today we'll show you how to make New Year slime. Let's go! For our slime recipe we will need glue, shaving cream, flour, glitter, paint, and something to mix it. First of all, we need to take glue and pour it into the bowl. You can take any shaving cream you want to, it doesn't matter. Paint. You can take small amount of paint, but it will be not really colorful. I want to take big piece because I want to make New Year slime. Now you need to mix it. I want some more paint. Many paint. My favorite step when I'm making slime is to color it, because when it's all like white, I don't really like it. But now it looks like New Year tree. You need to mix it really hard. And when you're ready, you need to put some glitter. If you want to, I will put red glitter, small, like that, because green and red is the more New Year colors. Some more shaving cream, and glitter. I don't know why, but I really like glitter in everything. Mixing. I really like glitter, so I put some glitter in my flour, and flour is everywhere. This is me. To make it more slimy, you need to put some flour in it. This is a tablespoon. So first of all, 1 tablespoon. And after, if it's not mixed yet, you can put some more. After you think it is done, you can put some flour on your hands. And start to mix it with your hands. I don't think it's working yet, so I'm washing my hands and putting some more flour in it. More flour. I will take 1 more tablespoon. I don't think it will work. And like that. And put the rest of the flour with the glitter and slime. And mixing. I don't really like original slime recipes because they're really sticky and maybe they can stretch. I don't really like stretchy slimes. I like butter slimes because they are like clay, but they're like that. See? It's not really an regular slime. It is not, and it's not a clay. It's like so middle. I really like to make them because it's really fun. They are really funny because you can you can take them and make something with them. Oops. Like clay, like with clay, or you can stretch it like with a regular slime. And again mixing. I see that it starts to work, so I will take all of the pieces of slime out of my mixing spoon and I will start to mix it with my hands. So, about slimes. I was making really many slimes in my life. I don't know why, but I like butter slimes the most. On the second place, I really like slime with beads because they're really crunchy. And if you want to, I can make a video with crunchy slime. So, hit the like button and leave me a comment so I can know if you want a video with a cringy slime. I don't know why, but everyone in my family don't really like slimes because they're thinking that it's like boogers. Oh. Dad, help me please. More flour. I don't really know why it's so sticky. Please. Don't stick to me. I like you too, but please don't stick to me. So, I don't really want to mix it. So, I will take all of the flour in my bowl, mix, then fold, and see what happens. So, you need to cover it with the flour and after mix and redo many times. Whew. Yes, it doesn't stick anymore. I really like it. I don't know if you can hear, but it makes really cool sound when you squeeze it. If you want to, you can make it as a pancake and put in your hand like that and pour some glitter in it. So now you can mix it so the glitter will be in. I was seeing the hole. I make it bigger and hear what I see in it. Oh, glitter, glitter, glitter. So now it looks more like Christmas tree, which was our initial goal. Actually, you need to make sure that there is no pieces like a whole bowl of glitter and on the other is no glitter. It don't actually matter anything, but if you want it, you can leave it like that. But I don't really like when there is one side where there is no glitter and on the other side is really many glitter like that. So I really want so my slime will be like stretchy a little bit more. So I will take baby oil, maybe, I don't know how it's called, and I will pour it in this bowl so I know how many I need. Oops. How much I need, like that maybe. If you don't want so your oil will be everywhere, you need to make your slime like something like a circle and make a hole in it, like a bowl, maybe. And pour some of your in it. And really now mix. Ugly sound. So you need to mix it so there will be no oil on your hands. Oh my, what a huge mess we have left. We need to clean it really fast. Sit here. The crafts are really good every time you want to make it, but the mess after it is not really good for your parents. Please help your parents and clean it up. Your parents will be really happy that you made something with your hands, and they will be more happy if you will clean it up. My precious. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and you will make better slimes at your home. Please hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching. Bye.